The American calling, I'll call you back in a minute. American 1609, ground, where are you coming off the ramp?
Ground, that is 5321 at Charlie Echo, taxi.
Okay, which sounds nothing like American 1609, so let's try again. American 1609, where are you coming off the ramp?
We're at Tango in Hotel.
American 1609, ground, thanks. 31 left short, left on Bravo, short of Golf.
Left Bravo, short Golf.
Endeavor 3902, youthful enthusiasm is appreciated because the departure line's waiting for you.
Alright, we'll pick it up, 3902.
Ground, that is the 5321 Heavy, confirm hold short 31 left on Whiskey.
Oh, you can't hold short of 31 left at Whiskey because Whiskey doesn't go near 31 left. Hold short of 31 right.
Hold short 31 right, copy.
2598. Delta 2598, stop. Delta 2598, follow the next RJ from the left.
Next RJ from the left, Delta 2598.
American 1, the gentleman ahead, follow him, 191.
Follow the gentleman ahead, 191, American 1, good day.
Delta 20, correction, JetBlue 2818, follow the American 321 from the right, cross seat your right, 191.
Follow American, crossing 22 right, good day, JetBlue 28.
I'm sorry, one more time for that? TAM Super Tug round. Delta 437 at Gulf, follow Virgin Atlantic from the left. Virgin 26 Quebec Heavy, it'll be 31 left short and follow the second Delta 737 from the right.
Okay, following the second Delta 37 from the right,
Delta 2190, continue hold short of Fox. Because when you're working a million airplanes, what you want is a stuck mic. There we go.
Yeah, ground Delta 450 is number 2 Kilo Fox short of Alpha in sequence.
Delta 457, roger that. Don't know who number 1 is, unfortunately.
Understood.